Well, good morning. It is Wednesday, March 14th, 2018. We are on our way to a client's rental property. It has 2 commercial units and 4 residences in it. Apparently, the exterior door leading to apartments 1 and 2 is coming off the jam. I don't know if it was something that was kicked in or if it's just a rotted door or what the case is. So I have to find out when we get there. As you can see, I never speed. Doesn't really help you out. I've tried it once where I've done exactly the speed limit the whole way on an hour and 20-minute trip, and then I drove at whatever speed I wanted to, passing everything under the sun that I could, and I saved myself about 4 minutes over an hour and 20 minutes. So I'm a firm believer that speed does nothing but waste gas and put your life at risk. So don't speed, people. It makes no sense. You don't believe me? Gauge it yourself. Try it 2 different times on your way to work or something. Just see what happens. You'll see you don't really save yourself any time. Plus you gotta worry about getting a speeding ticket, and they ain't cheap nowadays. So anyway, we're here now. We're gonna pull in and examine what's going on at this apartment complex, this rental unit. See what we need to do. We might have to go to one of the big box stores and grab a new door, or maybe we could just put some new hinges on this and call it good. There we are, right there. That's the door we want to look at. So let's get into this right after this. Okay, let's get this door open here and see what's going on. Just slipped. As you can see here, the center hinge is disconnected from the jamb entirely, as is the bottom one. Only one hinge holding this door together. Let's take a look here. These are 4-inch hinges, rounded. So we're gonna have to go to the store and get a new pack of them. I think that'll fix this problem. Golf tees work great. Fill up the holes. inch long. We're putting these in. Those screws aren't big enough to hold this heavy door. One side's rounded, one side's square. Always take your trash with you. Never leave a mess behind. Your customers will appreciate it and they'll call you again. See, that was a pretty easy fix. See that mountain in the background? The big hill? That is actually a big, huge landfill. It's a pile of trash. This town, it's called Tully Town. They don't have to pay taxes, property taxes, that is, anyway, because that landfill from time to time gives off an odor that these people have to deal with. Honestly, it's really not that bad most of the time. The landfill does what they can to keep the odor down. Its entire hill's wrapped in plastic. It's got vents in it. It's tightly controlled by the EPA and everybody else that's involved. But anyway, because of that, they get a certain percentage of money every year in the form of a property tax reduction. So the way I understand it is just about all the houses there in that town get free property tax. I guess if you have $1 million home, you might be paying a little bit on it, because I think everybody gets like $3,000 or $3,500 a year in the form of a check. Guess it's good for them. I'd like that ability to have my property tax paid, but I'm okay right where I'm at. I've got great neighbors. Honestly, I love my neighbors right to death. They're my best friends in the world. Shout out to you, Scott, Bob, Doug. Lou, you're all right too. We don't hang out, but you're a good guy. And to the ladies, absolutely, can't forget y'all. Sandy, Kim, you're right up there, man. Right up there. Alright, so anyway, that's another one for the history books. Just needed new hinges and have the holes patched in the jam. Had to have the striker, was missing a screw. We had to put a screw in that because that was all sloppy, and adjust the door closer. Door closes kind of weak. It doesn't close in high winds, but it closes 100% of the time when the wind isn't blowing strong. And that's what we want. We can't beat the wind all the time. Anyway, thanks for watching. I invite you to subscribe, like, and share. We're trying to grow this channel. We got 39 subscribers right now. I know it's not a lot. I hope we get more. Hit subscribe and hit the bell. Thanks. Have a great day.